our one-chamber pizza oven. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, with a length of 24 3/4 inches, a depth of 18 1/2 inches. Overall height, we have 10 1/4 inches. Included will be a set of 4 legs that can be mounted beneath the pizza oven as an option. Each leg will measure 2 inches, and when mounted, the overall height of the unit itself will be 12 1/4 inches tall. Single chamber with 1 clay pan included. Measurement for the clay pan will include 16 7/16 by 16 1/4 inches in depth. Interior dimensions, we have at least 16 1/2 inches, a depth of 16 1/4 inches, and the overall height of 5 inches. Those are the interior dimensions. And to the right will be the on and off and power switch, the light, along with the heating elements to cook and bake your pizza. Top and bottom temperature control gauge. And on the back will be the 110 120 voltage plug, along with the ETL certification and technical specs for this pizza oven. For more information, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.